This is Banky Update, and my name is Banky Million, short for Banky Million. So right now, guys, this is the platform I have for you today. It's called PinkoBox. PinkoBox. It's just like some others investment platform we have known before. So but I am going to explain how it works for you. Exactly, this is the plans here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is their investment plans here. Each investment, for example, this investment plans here, it starts from 500 naira to 5,000 naira. 500 naira to 5,000 naira. Why this one from 5,000 naira to 50k, this one from 50,000 naira to 100k, this one from 100k to 1 million, like that, like that, like that, like that. Take away. So right now I am going to show you, but one thing about this platform is that their minimum deposit is 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. So that means they are telling people to go for this as medium. Okay, I receive a money. I'm going to show you where I received this money from soon. So what they are telling people is that it's best to start with this one from here upward, at least from 10,000 naira upward. So when you register on this platform, if you want to register, check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. In case you did not see any registration link on any of my video, if you did not see any registration link on the description of any of my video, that means those platform is no more paying. It's not paying anymore. So I will remove the registration link there. But any platform you see that you see its registration link in the description of my video, that means the platform is still paying. Like this one is still paying currently. So right now, let me put you through on how it works. So when you registered on PinkoBox, firstly they will give you free 750 naira for you new user. You can see it here, 750 for new users. No malicious registration of fake account to claim reward. If you found, your account will be banned. The final interpretation rights of this event belong to PinkoBox. So they are telling you that you should not create more than one account. So don't create two accounts to do anything bad. So right now, after you registered and they give you 750 naira, that 750 you can use it to make money, but it's not that much. It's not that much. Making 30 naira daily is, I don't think that is a good money. That is not a cool money. But assuming if it is in dollar right now, if you are making $13 daily, it's a cool money here in my country and some other countries like that. So right now, guys, this is what you need to know. So after they have give you the 750, if you look here on my account, you see that I have 250 balance. That means 250 left there in my account. So you will have to click here on surprise. So on the surprise, you will see you can now click on open with this 500 naira, the first one up here. Open with open it. If you want to go for the 5,000, you open this. If you want to go for this 100k, 200k, 50k, 500k, like that, like that, like that. So you open them. So after that, you click on the 500, wait for it to load. So after you click on it, then you click on go. Right now, I have already used the 500. I'm using it already. Then you will click on buy with 500. But this one, this 500, this free one will be giving you only 30 naira daily. So if you want to make more than that, this is what you will do. For example, if you want to go for the 50,000 naira owns or 10,000 naira. Okay, let me click on this 50,000 naira for an example. For example, I click on 50,000, then you click on buy. You will click on buy on it. So how much will this 50,000 naira or that 10,000 naira will be giving you daily? Let's see it here. So this is it here. Around here you can see from VIP1 you can deposit from less than 50,000 naira below. Will be giving you 2% daily. 2% of your money daily. So 2% of your money daily should be around, for example, let's say you deposit if you deposit 1,000 naira, it will be giving you 20 naira daily. I think that is the 2% of 1,000. If you deposit 10,000 naira, you'll be getting 2,000 naira or 200 naira daily. 200 naira daily. Their minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira. So for example, that means this level 1 here will be can generate up to from 10 naira to 1,000 naira daily. And its capital start from 500 naira to 50,000 naira. So if you want to generate 1,000 naira daily, then you can deposit up to 50,000 naira. You'll be getting 1,000 naira daily every day. Okay, for example, if you deposit like 51,000 naira above, 50,000 naira above 50,000 naira, that means if you deposit 51,000 naira, you are above 50,000 naira, you will be in the VIP2, which will be generating you 3% of your money daily. For example, let me just put it as, let's say you deposit 60,000 naira. 60,000 naira, percentage of 3% of 60,000 naira should be how much? Let me do the calculation. 3% of 60,000 naira will be times 3 divided by 100. So that is 1,800 naira daily. 1,800 naira daily. And this level 2 can the minimum it can give you is about 1,500 naira to, and you can make up to 15,000 naira daily on it. If you deposit about 500k, that means you will be earning 15,000 naira daily. This is why this one is VIP3. The VIP3 is from 500k above 500k, like from 500k to 1 million. This one will be giving you 4% daily. 4% daily. Anybody can make up to 20,000 naira daily on this VIP 3 here. 20,000 naira daily to 40,000 naira daily. So that is it on the VIP3. So like that, you can see the VIP4, the VIP5, the VIP6. This platform is paying and many people are using it. They are rushing on it. They are rushing to invest on it. So that is the reason why think I should share it with you guys. Maybe you are interested on it. So maybe you are interested on it. The investment is start from 500 naira and up to 100 million naira. 100 million naira. So in case you have your money, you can go try it out, but please don't invest more than you are willing to lose on any online investment, because everything is risky. As we are making money, we are making risk also. We are making risk to make money, so don't forget that. So apart from that, let's say after you, if you want to do anyone, then you click on me. So you go to your deposit here. On your deposit, you will click on deposit. On your deposit, you will click on payment method here. Click on payment method to select your payment method, any of the payment method you want to do. Bank transfer, if you want to deposit with USDT, if you are not in Nigeria and you want to deposit with USDT, you select the last one here, USDT TRC20. Then you will see a wallet address there, the wallet address. Then copy the wallet address you are seeing, then transfer the actual amount you want to send. Transfer it into the wallet address, USDT TRC20. But if you want to deposit with bank transfer, you can select the second option here or the first option. So after you select it, you input the amount you want to deposit. For example, I want to deposit 20,000 naira right now, and I will click on recharge. So after I click on recharge, it will direct me to a page where I'm going to see the account number I'm to send the money to. So this is the account number I'm to send the money to. This is the account name, this is the account number, and this is the amount I am to send. After you make the transfer, input your name here, the name on your account name, account number. Input it here, then click on submit. So in a few minutes, your money will appear in your wallet. The money will appear in your wallet in a few minutes. On your narration, let me show you this. On your narration, if you want, when you are sending the money, on your narration, that is the description, just copy this and paste it there. Then enter your name, then click on submit. That is it on that. In few minutes, you will see the money appears in your wallet. So after it appears in your wallet, this is what we need to do. You will click on surprise here again. Click on surprise to buy the plans you want to go for. Click on surprise. So I think from 5,000 above here. So after you click on surprise, then you input the amount, enter on the amount you will deposit. If you are below the amount you are seeing here, you can go below. Maybe you deposit like 20,000, you can click on 500 here. Click on it to use it all. You can use everything all, or you can just deposit 50,000 naira and earn from there upward. So after you click on the amount you want to do, so and it shows something like this, then you click on go to subscribe to buy the plans you want to do, to buy the plans. So immediately you buy the plans, then you can, the next thing to do is to click on redemption. Click on redemption. So when you click on redemption, then you click on exchange. After you click on exchange, so you can see that the 500 naira that I do yesterday, that I activated yesterday, it has already yield me 10 naira already. So you will click on it. You click on this the small sign button here. click on it, then click on confirm. So after redemption you will receive a total of 0 naira. So click on confirm. Don't worry, payment successful, congratulations on winning golden. View now. So after you click on view now, you will see that I go in with 500 naira and I have come out with 510 naira. My balance is now 760. If I go back now, you will see that my balance is now up to 760 here. My balance will be 760. Let me refresh the page. You will see that my balance will be up to 760 naira. As you can see, balance 760. So the next thing to do is to reuse the money again, to buy another plans again. Just reuse it again. So this is what we'll be doing every day, daily, every day. So that means you can withdraw all your money. You can do it in just a single day and withdraw all your money. If in case you don't want to do again, you can just do it in a single day and withdraw all your money. So I want to redo it again. Buy now. So click on buy now. So when you click on buy now, it will write successful. After you purchase it, you can click back on your account and refresh it. You will see that they have deducted the 500 naira again. So by tomorrow I will still yield another, it will still yield me another money again. For example, let's say I have about 3,000 here. That means I'm going to make 2% of it daily, 2% of it daily, 2% of the amount I have there daily. So that is how it works, and you can withdraw both your capital and the profit at any time. You can withdraw both your capital and the profit at any time. So guys, this is the update I have for you today. I hope you understand it. If you want to register, check the description of this video and register. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.